Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. And look at me, I'm here with a nail video for you guys. This is a long awaited video. So I decided to do this really cute deep red with these coffin shaped nails. So you guys let me know what you think about this video. And also please go ahead and thumbs up and subscribe. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and apply these tips here. I purchased mine from Sally's, and then I have a clear one that I'm going to put on my ring finger for the design. I'm just going to go ahead and do them now, and then I'll be back with the acrylic. Alright, so I already have my nails out, and this is the nail glue that I'm using. I got mine from Sally, so I just go ahead and apply it directly to the nail, and then go ahead and apply it to my nail bed. Hold on for about 10 seconds, and then move on to the next nail. Sometimes I'll grab the side like this, but that's how I apply my nails. That's how they look before I file them, and then I go ahead and file them with my buffer from Sally as well, and just go through all of them. I do one hand at a time because that's what's easier for me, and then that's the clear nail that I'll have the glitter ombre on, and then this is how they look once I have filed my nails, and then I'll go ahead and start to cut them down just a little bit and then file them into the shape without cutting the sides because I didn't want like ballerina. I wanted coffin nails. So I just do all of them exactly like this and just file my shape. So this is how they will look when they're done. And then I go ahead and take another little soft buffer file and just buff over them and make sure I get underneath. Okay, so I'm going to be using this pink acrylic. It really comes out clear, even though it's kind of have like a pink tint to it, because I don't have much of my clear. So I'm just going to use what I have and use this one on the ring finger. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is hydrate and prime your nails. Okay, and I'm using the liquid monomer by Mia Secrets. I purchased mine off of Amazon. Most of the products that I'm using today are either Beauty Secrets from Sally's, the store, or Mia Secrets from Amazon. And then I'm also using Madam Glam red polish. So here's my brush. I'm just using a small one. I haven't got used to using a big one yet. I tried and could not get it to save my soul, so I said I was going to try again. So I'm starting off with my pinky. Okay, so I went ahead and done these two, and I forgot about going back and forth with the glitter, so I will be painting this red, so I'm not worried about the glitter that's on there. But just keep in mind to like just do your glitter nail last or use a different brush. But I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate this nail. So I'm just put clear on top. And y'all, my brush is like shitty. Excuse me, just so shitty. But trust and believe, on my next video, I will be showing you guys how I upgrade the brush size. Because this brush is just entirely too small. And it's really old. I've tried to like cut off some of the hard pieces because I didn't clean it properly after I finished doing my nails last time. So that's why some of the brush hairs are like cut. It's just fuzzy. Like this brush is just horrible. And then the fact that it's a number 8 is extra small. So on my next video, I'm going to experiment with you guys and go up on my brush size, because you know, if you go to the nail salon, their nail brushes are like huge, but when I tried last time, it was too big and like in my way, and I couldn't see the acrylic that I was putting down. But I have to learn and figure it out, so I'm gonna look up some videos and see how I can get some tips and tricks on using a bigger brush. So I'll be sure to get that out in, probably a month. I don't know. I don't want to tell y'all too soon, then it doesn't be soon, but this brush here got to go. I'm not even sure how I was able to like get my nails to look so sleek. I guess I'm just that the bomb. So I'm sorry, but I don't even know. Look at this brush. So yeah, be on the lookout for another nail video using the correct size brush. Okay, right here I actually show you how I do the glitter nail. And these are the two glitters that I'm using, a small fine glitter and a regular glitter. They both came from Michael's and I just mixed it in with some clear acrylic. So I start off really thick at the top, apply that as best as I can with this brush. And then I'll wipe my brush off, go back into the monomer, and then add some more acrylic just a little bit, trying to thin it out the farther I go down, so to be like an ombre. And then again I'll go back on top with some clear acrylic, and this is so that you can cap off that glitter and it'll be easier like when you filing, you won't be filing glitter. So that's all I'm doing here, is adding some clear acrylic on top. So I'm going to go ahead and file my nails. All I do is hand file them. Sometimes I use a drill, but I'm just going to hand file them this time. Okay, so then after that you want to go ahead and wash your hands. And then this is the UV light that I'm using, and I'm using Madam Glam red polish. This is in the color Amour. But first I'm going to apply my base coat. As y'all can see, I only need one coat. Like, this polish is so pigmented. You only need one coat. Put it in the light for about a minute and you're good to go. I love Madam Glam. It's like you get gel polish at a budget that you can do yourself. That's real gel polish. It's not like that cheap hair store gel polish. It's the real deal. Alright guys, so this is the finished look here. This is what they're looking like. So cute. Perfect for the holidays. Just really nice and sexy and elegant. I am so in love with these nails. I love this deep dark brick red by Madam Glam, and it is in the color Amour. So you guys, let me know what you think about this nail video. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Please thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Peace out.